Where the heck am I at today? Well, glad you asked. I'm actually in Dade City, brand new community called Bellamy Crossings. It is a Lennar community and it is right off of 52 and not far from 75. I'll put a map right here so you can take a look at that. And I'm gonna take you on a tour of two brand new construction homes. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Bryan and I'm your Tampa Bay area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But enough talking, let's start today's tour. All right, so here we are at the first home, and right before we go in, just want to go over the HOA, $66 a month, and that includes your internet. There is a CDD fee here that equates to $250 a month. So let's go. All right, this is the Honor floor plan. It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage, 2754 square feet. Currently listed at $384,900. Pan around, show you what it looks like. Model homes right over there. Of course, no landscaping yet, so they're looking at towards the end of this month for closing. All right, let's go inside. Take a look at this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. All right, so you come in, you have your tile floor. And then right here to the left, you're gonna have your flex room. You can easily frame this out if you wanna put some French doors here, but nice size flex room. Of course, your blinds are included in this one. Coming down, continuing on, you're gonna have a coat closet right here with your 2 bifold doors, and then you're gonna have a full bath right off the entryway here. So white cabinets, quartz countertops, and then your tub and shower combo. All right, continuing on, right here to the right, it's gonna be your 2-car garage. You do have your Rainbird on the wall there for your irrigation. And then right over here, tucked away in the corner, it's gonna be your water heater. All right, coming in out of the garage, you can go right into your kitchen. Right here to the right is gonna be some understairs storage. And there's actually not a light. I thought I forgot to turn it on, but there's not actually a light. So there you go. And then of course, your kitchen here, same white cabinets, quartz countertops. It is an electric community, so you have your electric range, stainless steel microwave above, and then in the island, you have your single bowl undermount sink, your stainless steel dishwasher, and then the refrigerator is included here as well. And then your pantry is gonna be right here. All right, so let's go upstairs and we'll come back down. So you got the gray carpet here. When you come up to the stairs, you have this nice size loft. Walk right into. And then back here's gonna be bedroom number 1. And this is your standard closet here with your bifold doors. Right past behind that, it's gonna be, or next to it, it's gonna be bedroom number 2. Basically the same, just flipped. Same closet. All right, back over here. You're gonna have bathroom number 2 here. Same finishes that we've already seen. Do wish I would have had dual vanity up here since there's 4 bedrooms up here and only the 1 bath. But I mean, I guess you could always expand if you really, really wanted to, but wish they would have done it to begin with. Air handler number 1 right here. It's gonna be another one downstairs. Of course, at the end of the hallway here, you're gonna have your linen closet. And then on each side of that, you're gonna have bedroom number 3 and bedroom number 4. right, let's go downstairs. You can take a look at this main suite. And then outside. All right, so you come down the stairs. Right here, this will be your dining area where you have your pre-wire right there for a chandelier. Nice big open living room area. And then right over here, you're gonna have your laundry right outside your main bedroom. I'm sure somebody or a lot of you in the comments will complain about that, which I agree with you. Wish it was not by the main suite, but air handler number 2. And then here is your main suite. So a nice size bedroom. And then into your bath. Come in, you have your linen closet here. And once again, a single vanity. Wish I would have had dual vanity in the main. Toilet there, which you could easily frame this out if you wanted to create a water closet, give you a little bit more privacy. And then of course your shower right here. And then your walk-in closet back here. All right, let's go outside. Take a look at the dirt back here right now. So this one does not have a lanai. It just has the concrete pad. And then of course, there will be sod or grass back here. It's Pasco County, so they have to do Bahia in the back instead of St. Augustine. But so here's a look at the back of this one. Once again, this is the Honor floor plan. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Here is your friendly reminder that if you are thinking about buying new construction, make sure you use a real estate agent. Whether it's me or not, obviously I'd love it to be me, but just make sure you use a real estate agent, because the sales rep is nice and as knowledgeable as they are, they represent the builder and they not you. And builders are paying buyer agent compensation, so that's one less concern that you have as well. So you might as well have somebody in your corner, and if that can be me, reach out. Contact information is right here. Love to have a conversation with you. Let's go see the next one. All right, this is the Dawn floor plan. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage, 2174 square feet. This one has already been sold, but they have one that will be ready in August. That's currently listed at $389,900. We are 2 houses down from the first one. So let's go inside and take a look at this one. As you'll see, it's not completed. Still got some soffit work here and stucco work and all that kind of stuff. But the other one's not done until August, so at least I can show you the floor plan here. All right, so you come in the front door. There's a tile floor, and then over to the left here, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So bedroom number 1 right here. Bathroom number 1's white cabinets, quartz countertops, and then of course your tub and shower combo. And then bedroom number 2. All right, coming on down, you're gonna have a closet right here. And then across the hall, it's gonna lead out to your 2-car garage. And then just like the last one, around the corner here is where your water heater is gonna be. All right. Continuing on down the hall, right here to the right. Air handlers behind that door. You're gonna have your laundry room right here. Of course, your washer and dryer is included. And then right over here, you're gonna have another closet, which is nice to store all your laundry stuff, cleaning stuff. And then right over here, bedroom number 3, same standard closet. And then this one has an ensuite. So same finishes as all of them. All right, across the hall, you have your flex room. So a nice size flex room. And obviously you can frame that in, put some French doors there, but very nice size flex room. Or it can be used as a formal dining room if you still do that kind of thing. All right, so you're coming in to the, we'll come back to the kitchen. Let's go to the main suite, then we'll go to the kitchen, then we'll go outside. So main bedroom here. And then into your main bath. Single vanity once again. Your shower here. Toilet there. And then of course your walk-in closet right here. All right, let's go take a look at the kitchen. So a nice size island in the kitchen here. Of course, your same appliances, same kitchen cabinets and countertops. Same refrigerator. And then of course your pantry there. And then a dining area will be right here. And then of course the living room right here. Once again, this one does not have a lanai either. You just have your concrete pad. And then of course you will have grass. And I don't know why. So here's the back of this one. This is the Dawn. Honestly, other than maybe because the one that's for $389 won't be ready until August. But the first one is obviously a much better value. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know which of these two was your favorite. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But until next video, take care.